Yep, all because of her. Yep. Pony in the bed. Okay. Okay. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So I am currently in the lift right now, and we are headed to Miami. Yeah, y'all seen the title. Woke up this morning, packed my bag, and now we went to the airport. Here.
Where you at?
Walking upstairs.
Oh, I don't think they didn't bring you to the thing.
They brought me to the thing downstairs.
Oh, well, we'll see you because we're coming through.
Coming through where?
The drop-off level.
Are you at Terminal A drop-off?
Terminal B.
Why y'all at B? Was it at B or A?
It's B, Terminal B.
Where did he bring me? Sir! Yo, he really just left me. Can I even get to Terminal B from over here? Alright, so now I'm gonna have to... Oh my gosh, I don't even know what the fuck I'm at. My bag just broke. Like, thanks. Pretty little thing. Pretty little thing is not so pretty. The terminal is all the way over there. Now I'm mad. Now I'm mad. Oh, gosh. We made it, guys. We freaking made it. Like, I'm sweating. That was a walk. I'm really mad I walked all the way over here. Like, and I'm gonna report him. Alright, we're on the plane. Activated. And when we touch down, actually we have a layover in Philly. And then when we touch down in Philly, we'll be back. But this plane is actually packed because I think everybody is going to Miami. I'm so mad. We just landed in Philly. Where's my phone? Oh, I meant to text that lady. Yes. Be careful. We need to find some hand sanitizer, matter of fact. Camera? No, it's just a digital. Digital? Yeah. What you bring? Oh, the one that... The Polaroid one. Yes. Okay. I'm like, what's it called?
Everything is on me, or you matter what. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car cards to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much.
So, we made it.
We are in Miami
Airport, and we're headed right now to get people's bags and wherever else we're about to go. So,
Yes, ma'am.
wherever we land next, we'll be back.
We might not even come home on Monday.
We might not. I'm about to act up.
Add it up, bankroll.
Look at oh shit. So we're about to try some edible pumpkin.
So right now we have some weed Doritos that we're about to try.
It's called Doritos. Doritos.
Real different. And I love me some Doritos, so
taste that.
we shall see. I think they're sweaty because oils of the marijuana.
Yeah, maybe. And don't mind my hair. Y'all probably like, ooh, this girl done took her braids out. I sure did. About to be a whole new shorty.
They're good.
Wait, I need some more.
But they don't taste like Doritos.
Yes, they do. I feel like I taste more cheese or the little one. Okay. Okay.
Let me give you a little seasoning.
They're not that bad, but they're good.
And he said that he makes these. And I did see someone on my Instagram story or Snap post these, so good to know.
We'll see.
We shall see.
What is this? Lemon peppers. Lemon peppers.
Lemon peppers?
I know lemon peppers. So what y'all got again? I'm sorry.
We got conch, we got gizzard, we got fish, grouper, snapper, chicken. And what else we got?
Oh, okay. You want to be on my vlog? Okay, Chicago. Okay, now you want to tell them what y'all got?
Okay, so we got shrimp, conch, gizzard, fish, grouper, snapper. She's trying to get in there.
She want to be on my vlog. I mean, they won't know. She'll be all right. She won't get in trouble.
Yes, she is.
Why?
Yes, she is.
Oh, don't tell her.
Video, not her. Me.
Okay, what's your name? Nyla.
How you know?
Cause she kept yelling your name.
Yeah, she saw.
I know. Y'all got a basket? Like catfish and shrimp?
Yes. $13.99. You get together, it's 10 shrimp and 2 pieces of catfish.
I mean, I can get my own, so I'm gonna get my own because I want that. I'm hungry as shit.
You want 2 of those?
Yeah.
You want catfish too? So 2 catfishes?
Catfish and 10-piece shrimp? And it come with fries? No, we from Boston.
Way down here.
Cause we fucking bored. Sitting at home bored. Might as well travel, right?
Y'all want something to drink?
Yeah, you got sweet tea?
Yes.
I'll get sweet tea.
We got flops. Y'all haven't heard of flops?
I'll have flop. I'll have a flop.
Medium or large?
Medium.
Medium? You want that too? The same thing?
See what that tastes like. Okay, so I'm about to try the flock, the 50. And then my shot. Okay, we're gonna wait till the flop because it just flopped. We'll wait for that to get a little cold. Honestly, this is probably just Kool-Aid and sugar. This is Kool-Aid powder and lemonade powder. This looks good. We're gonna pull a little. Oh, this looks good. Okay. With and without pepper. This is good. What? They good. Listen, all this shit is country fried. Country fried, like, what? Okay, I'm about to finish eating my food, and maybe I'll see y'all later. We'll see, but this was really good, really good. Okay, I wanted to go into Zara, but that line is way too long. I tried to go to the MAC, and that is crazy, but I am gonna make my round in Zara because, but I don't really need to buy anything. We're just at the mall, it's open. I don't know which mall this is, I'm not too sure. If I find out later, I'll let y'all know. But right now, we're just walking through the mall. I don't need anything. I do need setting spray, and I do need a new mask. So I'm gonna attempt to go in these stores and kind of figure out a way to get a mask or some shit or something. This really sucks. My mask broke. And the thing about the masks is it's like they mess up your makeup. So like I definitely would say maybe I'm about to go to Sephora and ask. Actually, they're not open until May 29th. Okay, we are at Deadland Mall. So they're not open. So not a lot of the stores are open until a little later, but a few stores are. I think the food court is open, so we'll see if we can get some food. But I'm a little disappointed. Maybe if I find first time when I can get a mask, so I am at Aoki. I am at Aoki. And I'm just having some sushi. I got a California roll and a shrimp tempura. And I'm just hungry. So I'm gonna eat this. And now we are headed to leave. I think everyone done left my ass, but I left everybody. I like to explore when I come to the mall. I don't like to just sit in one spot. So me being me, I left and went and did my own thing. As y'all can see, I have my sushi, my little drink, and then I went to Free People. I will show y'all what I got from Free People later, but it is so cool. It is so cool. So I'm excited. But here's today's fit. Nothing crazy. It is raining out, but I wonder where we're gonna end up next. I made sure I had food, plenty food. Oh my god, I love my ponytail. Okay, bye. These are holders. Oh, what's that? Like, honestly, am I really about to shoot this? Am I really about to do this? Let me ask myself. Let me ask myself. Am I really about to do this? Look at that gun. That's like a military gun. They got guns everywhere. Everywhere. Look at this. This gun. Like, oh, those are parts to guns. Oh, goodness. I don't know if I'm really about to do this. Oh, look at those. I am not. Let me just say, for the record, I personally am not a fan of guns. I just don't think there's like use for them. I just feel like they just kill people and harm people. And I know people say they use this for protection, but like me personally, I've seen people die. And it's scary. Like I just don't think guns is for everybody. So yeah, I'm not a gun person, so yeah. But we got some more guns. Ooh, we got a revolver. A revolver, I know that. I know what that is. Oh, this is like a little spy gun right here. Look at that. Oh, look at that little one. I could put that in my purse. And $400, that's it? For a gun? That's it. Okay. Ammo box, keep that locked. Alright.